guys, welcome back to E03 Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix error E03 on candy washing machine. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how you fix this issue here with the candy washing machine that has the E03 error. Well, fixing it is kind of complicated here, but first things first is we need to understand what the error actually means. Now, in this case, according to this website here, the E3 error actually means that the machine does not drain, or generally speaking, because something is actually stuck, or in this case, you have a broken pump. So either of one of the reasons out there. But in this case, just in case, like for example, if you want to do some general fixing here and see if you can fix this yourself, well, there are a few things that you could do. So in this case, what you need to do here is you might want to you'll want to check your pump. Now, usually at the bottom left of your machine or your washing machine, you should see it is specific location here, which in this case, if you open this up, this is where you'll be able to see your pump. Now, in this case, if the drawer is still locked and still full of water, then most commonly, something might be stuck on your pump. Now, you want to check the pump at the bottom of the machine, like what I just shown you. Now, open the little panel and see if anything like buttons or coins, or in this case, is blocking it from spinning. The pump is clear, and in this case, if the pump is actually clear, the next thing to look is at the drain hose. Now, it's usually at the back of the machine, but this is what it generally looks like. Now, in this case, what you need to do here is you want to make sure that it's not bent or squished, which could block the water from flowing out. Also, you might want to check that the hose is actually positioned properly. Now, if it's not positioned properly, like for example, it's too high above the machine, it shouldn't have to pump the water too far or too high, or the pump will struggle. In this case, make sure it's actually loosely sitting on the drain, so air can get in and help it drain properly. So generally, you want to basically make sure that you're draining water properly, because again, like what we discussed before, it's generally because of it, or in this case, the machine is not draining properly, or water is not draining properly. Now, in this case, after checking all of that, your machine should start draining normally. Now, the error 03 should clear up, but in some cases, if that doesn't solve the issue itself, it might mean that there are a lot of, in this case, deeper issues with your washing machine, which in this case, it is recommended to reach out to customer service for candy washing machine candy. And in this case, you might want to reach out to their customer service. If you still have the warranty with you, you can go ahead and reach out to them, or in this case, get a technician to get this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to E03 Inspo. Thank you for watching.